Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how we will know whether there is a custom table that is being called in a standard transaction code very fast. Okay, so lots of times you have customization that you have built in a user exit or something, but you want to see whether any custom table is getting called in some places. Okay, so first thing I'll do is I'll put /h, that's the debugging, and then I'll go to slash, and suppose I wanted to find out for purchase order 21N. Okay, I'll enter this and I'll press this, and now once we go into the debugger screen, I'll go to script, and in the script I'll click on load script, and here I'll select this option. Okay, select tab. Okay, and lots of times you might have here it will do the read from the custom table. Okay, so here I'll just click on save script. Okay, and now I'll click start script, and based on the naming convention you have, most of the client have Z star. You can put Z star, you can put Y star, or whatever you can, because I don't really know the table name. Okay, so it will start with Z. Okay, and I'll just execute, and here you can see that this gets called, and it calls this table Z. So this way it's very easy to find out whether a Z table or a custom table is used in your standard transaction. Good. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great